about time for a change when people can't recognize their flaws in their own ways. You ain't gotta own up to what you don't face and misplace your pride in case of mistakes. Engage in debates and rage from the venom of your own snake that you have made. Lies are not lies if you hide behind gates, locked away from reality in hopes to escape. And if the metaphors are too much to take, think about who you truly are when you awake. Think about every step that you take and what society does to fit in and make cake. And if you can't be honest with yourself, you're fake. It's a sensitive debate. Point fingers, reap what you sow, eat off your own plate. And if you can't admit to yourself blame, you're living in an eminence front.
Society as a whole is full of flaws. We got politicians lying and cops breaking laws. But I'm not here to judge, I just think it's rotten. Cause there's kids in school popping Oxycontins, and everybody's too worried about their own shit to realize just how fucked society is. We got war based on fiction, but people forget. We got drug addiction, but people forget. We got amendment contradiction, and people forget. And the young kids' wishes that people forget. Cause we're too busy with the lies that we built for ourselves to finally open our eyes and break out from ourselves and help each other out. Instead we just dig deeper and not question shit. We just follow the leader and play make-believe that the world is fine and fall in line to society's production lines. But it's never it's fun.
Is not what we chose, it's the end result, consequence determined by those that reach down their hand like a god in disguise and try to hold us back to eternal demise. Who we are is how we were and what was told, destination of decision, what the future may hold. And what we were in the scene is what will become, one with the gods in the orbital sun, invigorated in energy and karma within me. I know that I'm alive cause the circles are spinning, dark matter leaks energy too dense to consume. The galaxy expansion pushes further from true, a static age of learning. Our inner problems infiltrate in the word of written for a gospel of digital, realigning the planets until they block out the sun. So polar caps are changing, Armageddon's begun.
Bravo! Bravo! You guys are finally finished.
Yeah!
No more left to